these painful, divisive times, people are aching for ways to unite in true community, to connect with one another across differences. Kutandara is realigning as a nonprofit to move into its mission more fully, to be a place of meeting, a place to connect in real time with real people from across the globe, from different countries, races, and cultures. I think in some small way, the work that we do together is healing the world.
Some of our teachers have started to coin the term zebra tribe, and that's what I call us, the zebra tribe. A group of people who self-select to bring the world together, building bridges through relationship, feeling the connection of friendship and spirit in music and love.
Immediately, when you walk in the lobby, you notice it's bright, it's warm, it's welcoming, and it's a really fun place to relax and be together. I love that the paintings on the walls pay homage to our teachers, and that the imbiras that are in the room, they're made by hand by Zim artists. We have a loving relationship with our teachers and our friends from Zimbabwe, and it's evident all around us here.
One thing I like about Kutandara Center and the Moon and Stars Foundation is that they bringing home, away from home, for me here. I have been able to reconnect every time I'm with the folks who love the music and the culture, and sharing this with the whole community here in Boulder and in the United States.
Great people, great energy, everyone is welcome. I want to say thank you to Randy and Amelia for all the work you do to orchestrate success in students. Thank you for putting your whole heart and soul into everything you do. Kutandara Center is a gem. Kutandara Center is a blessing for this community.
My visit at Boulder was something that made me realize what music is capable of doing around the world. People are connected with so much love and joy through music, and you cannot do anything else that connects people together as much as music does. It boosted my ability towards being a better musician, because I was working with people who were on their toes, like they were ready to do anything new, and that actually inspired me and moved me.
And just overall, Tapinaba were like a double shot espresso, I would say. Just really pumping energy into our band, and really enabling us to work and learn at a higher capacity.
The kind of music taught by visiting Zimbabweans and through Kutandara brings us a global awareness. It truly helps to expose us to other cultures while also helping us to understand and accept others. It also encourages a sense of harmony and inclusion, forming links that help bind us to what I like to call the human family.
As a 501c3 not-for-profit organization, we have an amazing board of directors full of talented and brilliant people dedicated to using this new structure to help realize the potential of our work in the world.
So the mission of the Moon and Stars Foundation is really a mission of peace. Bridging cultures is really about creating peace across the world. And what could be more important than that in our world today?
Won't you join us now and support the important work of bringing people together? We need your support now more than ever.
Please help the Kutandara Center continue its wonderful work in the Boulder community by contributing to the Moon and Stars Fund. Tatenda Zvikuru, thank you very much.